Deep Relaxation Exercise. Welcome to this deep relaxation exercise. Let's begin. First, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel your abdomen expand and your belly rise and fall with each breath. Now, imagine a peaceful space where you feel safe, comfortable, and completely at ease. This calming place could be indoors or outdoors. Perhaps it's a garden, a beautiful landscape, a favorite spot you love to visit, or a place you've always dreamed of going. It might even be a cozy corner in your home or a beloved place in your community. As you enter this tranquil space, imagine yourself letting go of your anxieties, worries, and fears. Feel your stress and tension melt away. Take a moment to look around in your peaceful space. Notice the details. What do you see? What textures or colors catch your eye? What do you smell? What sounds can you hear? Focus on what's right in front of you. Reach out and touch it. How does it feel? This is your special place where nothing can harm you. Now you're at level 3, the level of physical relaxation, where you'll learn to relax your body from head to toe in just a few seconds. To help you relax at this level, I'll guide you through different parts of your body. Allow yourself to feel your body. Notice what sensations are present right now. Try to relax and release any tension that might be there. Explore these sensations with curiosity, just as they are. You may notice thoughts, worries, or tasks coming to mind. Don't judge yourself, just recognize that it's normal for your mind to wander. As soon as you realize what's distracting you, gently bring your attention back to your body sensations: warmth, cold, tension, pressure, or pain. We'll practice this briefly in silence, focusing on your sensations. Each time your mind drifts, kindly bring it back to your body, being gentle with yourself. Right now, notice where your body is and what sensations you feel. You might be more aware of the points of contact: your feet on the floor, your hands resting on your thighs, your hips and glutes on the seat. Shift your focus to your left foot, paying attention to your toes. What sensations do you notice in your toes? You might feel warmth, cold, or tension. The sensation itself isn't as important as your attention to your toes. It's okay if you don't feel anything specific, just notice that. Now, shift your attention to your left knee. What sensations do you feel in your kneecap, ligaments, or tendons? Next, bring your focus to your pelvis, your hips, and your glutes. What sensations do you notice in these areas? You may be more aware of the points of contact, your hips and glutes against the seat, or perhaps you sense warmth or coolness. Now, focus on your right leg and compare the sensations you feel with those in your left leg. Pay attention to the toes on your right foot. What sensations are there? Maybe warmth, cold, or tension. Compare these sensations with those in your left foot. How are they similar or different? Shift your attention to your right knee. What do you notice in your kneecap, ligaments, or tendons? Again, compare these sensations with your left knee. What's the same, and what's different? Bring your attention to your lower back, the lumbar spine. Notice any sensations here. Remember, this isn't about imagining body parts but feeling the sensations: pressure, pain, warmth, or cold. Next, focus on the middle of your back and then the upper back, including your shoulders, a place where tension often builds up. What sensations do you notice? Now, bring your attention to your hands and arms. Let's focus on both arms and hands. Allow yourself to feel any sensations in your fingertips, moment by moment, and gradually expand your attention to include your fingers, wrists, arms, and elbows. Shift your attention to your neck. What sensations do you feel in the muscles of your neck? You might notice the air passing through your windpipe or the sensation of swallowing. Now, focus on your face. What sensations do you feel? Maybe the brush of air against your eyelids, the feeling in your cheekbones, or simply the air entering your nostrils. Notice any sensations in your lips. Are they dry, moist? You might want to lick your lips and feel that sensation. Finally, focus on your scalp. What sensations are there? Pressure, tingling, or perhaps no sensation at all. If that's the case, just take note. At this moment, you might want to feel the sensations in your whole body once again. Try to release any remaining tension, relax your body, and notice the benefits of this exercise. This is also the perfect time to congratulate yourself for practicing this relaxation. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment.